So is it too late to dormant seed your lawn? As we move into the early part of March here, some people have been wondering, can I still put down some seed in more of a dormant seed fashion, or should I wait just a couple more weeks and I do a spring seeding? So if you don't know what dormant seeding is, it's sometimes also called frost seeding. What it is simply putting down seed either early winter before all the snow comes to let the snow go on top of that seed, and the frost cycles to kind of bring that seed into the ground and then hopefully have it come up in the spring in ideal conditions and grow without having to do a spring seeding. Now you're past all of that cold winter and we're moving closer into the spring. Is there still time to dormant seed and put that seed down? So I think the main thing comes down to your soil temperature right now. If you're still around that frozen mark, or it's just starting to come out of the frozen mark, and you see some consistent cooler temperatures coming in the next week or so, then I think you could probably still get that seed out as long as you can walk across the yard and it's not super muddy, or you're able to actually spread things without doing a bunch of damage to the top of the soil. In terms of it being really soft right now, you don't want to get out onto the grass if it's going to cause a lot of damage. But if it is dried up and you can get out there, then this could still be an option if your soil temperatures are low and you're not seeing that something is going to germinate probably in the next week or so. If you are already seeing some of those temperatures come up on your soil, maybe closer to 40, and also the weather shows that it's going to be warming up quite a bit in the next couple weeks, then I probably would be slightly hesitant to do it so early right now, because what can happen for a lot of people is if you do get those nice temperatures, like today it's supposed to be almost 70 degrees here, which definitely means that fake spring is here, because looking at next week's forecast, we're back into the 30s. So if you do happen to get a couple consistent days, maybe some moisture is there as well, and you start to get some grass germinating, then you get a really hard freeze again and it can damage that germination, and you're kind of just wasting your grass seed right at that moment if you have a bunch of it that doesn't end up coming up or that gets damaged enough that it dies off. I think right now we're playing with those windows in terms of various locations, what your weather is like, what your soil temperatures are like, in terms of whether this is a good idea for you or not. But if you happen to have a small area you want to try and experiment, it's always a great idea to try some different things, learn some different things, and gather that experience out in the lawn. Check out some other videos here on the channel. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.